Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Living Flavors with Sunitha. In this video, I am going to show you how to make mushroom pollichathu. You might have heard about fish pollichathu. It is a common recipe made in Kerala mostly. It is made out of fish, as I told you. But then I thought it would be a better option if we make in mushroom because it would be a common ingredient and it would be a better option for vegetarians. It is a very innovative and a yummy one, and it requires only few ingredients. Come on, let's get started. I have taken 200 grams of mushroom and I have sliced them into halves. If it is a bigger mushroom, you can slice them into 4 pieces. To this, I am going to add 1/4 teaspoon of chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Mix them all. And now to a kadai, I am going to add 2 teaspoons of oil. And I'm going to add the mushrooms along with the masala, and we'll have to cook this until the mushrooms are well cooked. Keep it on high flame, do not keep it on low flame because the mushrooms will tend to release more water. And now the mushrooms are perfectly cooked. I'm going to transfer it to a plate. To the same kadai, I'm adding another teaspoon of oil and adding 1 chopped onion along with 1 sliced tomato. Saute this well. To this, I'm adding salt as required, 1/4 teaspoon of chilli powder, 1/2 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala. Mix everything well. Let this cook for 30 seconds to 1 minute. And now we are going to fold this inside a banana leaf. So for that, I'm getting the banana leaf prepped. I'm just showing it on flame to bring that flexibility. And now to the banana leaf, I'm going to add the tomato onion masala that we have prepared. Spread it. And now to this, I'm going to add the cooked mushrooms. So all these flavors are going to blend together when we are going to cook the ingredients along with the banana leaf. To get a little crunchiness, I'm adding fresh onions on top of it, sliced ones, and also sliced ginger pieces. You can also add curry leaves and a dash of coconut oil. Fold it and wrap it thoroughly using a kitchen twine. So wrap it well. The banana leaf will not tear as we have shown it in the flame. And now the parcel is ready. To the same kadai, I'm adding a teaspoon of oil. I'm going to place the banana leaf parcel in it. Let this cook for around 2 minutes on each sides. So now it's time to flip. And now let this cook for another 2 minutes. Look at the color, it shows that the banana leaf is also cooked. So all the flavors that is from the banana leaf and also the other ingredients are well blended. Now it's time to open. Look how juicy it is. I really can't wait to taste it. So it's time to taste. As soon as I opened it, I could smell the freshness of the ginger and it's so juicy. Look at this. So I'm going to taste it. It's so hot. It's so yummy and juicy. I ate it along with a piece of ginger. So I could get a little spiciness from the ginger too, and also the flavors are amazing. Definitely give this a try, you will not be disappointed. It's a very yummy recipe. Do try and share your valuable feedback in the comment section below. And if you like this video, do give a huge thumbs up and support me. Soda? எப்படி இருக்குன்னு சொல்லுங்க செல்லம். so yummy and flavorful. If you like this video, do give a huge thumbs up and support me. It really means a lot to me. See you guys next time with another interesting recipe or another interesting video. Until then, take care. Bye.